Hi all there, my name is Chandana Davluri, the public speaking coach. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with the consonant sounds. If you watch my previous video, you would understand the vowel sounds. I explained in detail with the examples. If you have not, kindly refer that. Yes, in consonants, as I said, there are 21 consonants and 25 sounds. Let us talk about each and every consonant like B, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, R, S, T, V, W and Y, Z are consonants. Whereas apart from this, there are like CH, SH, ZH, TH, TH, there are two types of TH. I'll explain you about that. HW, NG. All these come under consonants like consonant sounds, in which these are like there are blends and there are diaphragms. There are 7 diaphragms and there are blends as well. So we'll discuss about each and everything in the consonants. Let us talk about the first word, like a letter, that's B. B sounds like B. B. B as in bib. B-I-B, bib. And D, D sound, pond. Pond, P-O-N-D. F sound, L-A-U-G-H. Though F is not there, it sounds as laugh. And G, P-I-G, pig, G sound. And H sound is H, hop, H-O-P, hop. And then J as in J, jam, J-A-M, jam. K, king. And L, H-A-L-L, hall. And then M, T-H-U-M, B, thumb, thumb. And N, N sound, P-N, pen. P, it sounds like P, pop, pop. And R, it sounds like R sound, car, car. S is S sound, scent. T, T-N-T, tent. V, V sound, H-I-V-E, hive. W, window, V sound, window. And then Y as yell, yeah, yell. And Z, Z sound, zip. CH, SH, ZH, TH, there are 2 types, and TW and NG, these are called as like diaphragms. There are 7 diaphragms, and like means they are combined with 2 consonant sounds. Like I'll let you know with the examples for this. CH, diaphragm CH, it's ch sound, chip. SH, sheep. ZH, it's Asia. ASIA, we are an Asian continent, so we call it as Asia. And then TH, the, and then thing. That means blow of A comes out. If it is a voice, the voice comes from here, that's a voice sound. The, it's coming from the vocal folds. If it is coming through the puff of air, it's like a unvoiced sound. Thing. So blow of A comes out, that's thing. Then HW, which is called as it's wheat. And then NG, R-I-N-G, ring. So these are the 25 consonant sounds. Let us talk about the blends. As I said, there are blends in consonants. That means 2 or 3 words combined together and they form a blend. That means BL, blue. CL, clap. CL sound, clap. FL, fly. PL, it's play. P and L sound. CR, cry. And DR, dry. FR, fry. GR, great. TR, tree. SL, slip. SK, skate. SW, sweet. And STR, stripe or strap. SPR, spray. So these are some sounds which are blends, means combining 2 or 3 consonants and making a sound. Now let us talk about the 7 diaphragms, which are ch, sh, th and WH, NG and NK. Chin, chin, SH, ship, TH, thing, and THIS, this. And when, WH, when, NG, ring, NK, ink, rink. So these are the combination of 2 sounds which are called as diaphragms, which are like digraph, which are combined by two consonant sounds. There are 7 digraphs, whereas they are like blends. Blends which forms by 2 or 3 combination sounds of consonants. So that's about the consonants. So because it's a basic level, I just don't want you to get confused, so I'm giving all these examples to make you understand about the consonant sounds as well. Yes, that's it from my end about the consonant sounds. Just go ahead and practice all these sounds. Definitely you'll polish your pronunciation skills. This will be very much helpful for you. Yes, see you again with another new video with the grammar part. That's it. Yes, please visit my channel. Please subscribe and like and share. Thank you.